thunderstorm warning for central Hunt County in north central Texas, southeastern Collin County in north central Texas until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Greenville City Lakes, or near Greenville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wiley, Greenville, Commerce, Roy City, Princeton, Farmersville, Caddo Mills, Campbell, Merritt, Greenville City Lakes, Greenville Club Lake, Lake Tawakoni, Levant, Nevada, Josephine, Lone Oak, Nalenville, Kingston, Cache, and Blanche. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 79 and 109. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
What's taking this so long?
Come on, TV.
There we go.
There you go.
I didn't turn off.
What?